here, except the 3 is a whole number. Then the rest is in logarithm. But anyway, if you look at this, right, the 3 actually you can also get it into logarithm format. So 3 is equal to log what? Log 2 and 2 to the power of 3, right? Yep. Yes. So by doing this, you get the 3 into log 2 to the power of 3. And you can actually get your log 4 here. Can you see log 4 here? You can also get the log 4 into log 2. Then after that, in a way, you standardize every term into log 2. Okay? So over here, probably you can do a bit of transformation here. So the 2 you can bring up to become the power. Then you change this to log 2. So this is log 4, but you can change it to log 2 by doing log 2 and then 8 minus 2x to the power of 2, then log 2, 4. Okay, so how do you transform the term from log 4 to log 2 is called change of base. Okay, the rule to change of base, right, is this. I don't know whether you remember or not. If you have log AB, right, you can change it to log B over log A. Or you can even change it to log 5B over log 5A. So I am actually using this rule, change of base, to transform the log 4 into log 2. So far so good?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next. I think after doing this, then the question should be very simple already. Okay. Then the rest you just get it into log 2. So I tidy it up first. Okay. With this, then this one is equal to 2. Okay, because log 2 4 means, I don't know whether you can see or not. 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So therefore log 2 log 2 to the power of 2 is 2. Right?
Yes.
Then with this, then you can actually bring down the 2 now. I mean, this is the power. The power you can bring down to the 2 to front, right? Then your 2 and 2 actually cancel each other. So if you simplify, then you end up with this. And then you use the, okay, if you cannot recall, you can probably write down this. So let's say if you have this A minus the log 2B, I think you will get log 2A divided by B. Okay?
Yes.
So I'm using this. So this will be simplified to log 2 8 minus 2x over x minus 2. Then this one will be equal to log 2. Then this one will be 8 over 1 over x. So can you see you have both log 2 on the left, log 2 on the right. So you can actually, in a way, you can actually, okay, simplify it further and you end up with this. And from here onwards, I think you just cross multiply and then you will end up with a quadratic equation. Are you clear? Do you need me to continue?
Yeah.
Do you need me to continue? No, right?
No.
Oh, no need. So, okay. There is one thing I want to caution you is, because you will end up with a quadratic equation, means like ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, something like this. And then you are very likely to get x equals to something or x equals to something. So then you need to be very cautious in this question, because we are doing logarithm. So if somehow your x happen to be a negative number, and can you see let's say if x happen to be negative 1, happen to be or negative something else, your here, right, log 2 bracket will become what? Log 2 negative 3. And this will make this term invalid. In a way, it's error.
Yes.
So you don't want, so in a way you need to reject this value if it invalidate the one of the terms. Are you clear?
Yes.
So you need to be cautious. Once you get the value of x, right, you need to put it back into this equation to see whether it will invalidate the equation or not. If it invalidates one of the term, that means it invalidates the equation, then you have to reject the value. If not, you have to accept both. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the way to do it. Okay, let's move on.